The weekend is starting with some rain out there, but I expect that will taper to showers later on today. The pattern will remain unsettled, though. That means we'll keep the snow showers lingering across northern parts of the state, and we'll see the winds pick up again through the day today and then again tomorrow. Many of us waking up to the wet weather out there right now, though it is changing over to some wet snow, especially over the higher terrain of northern New Hampshire as of 4:30 this morning. NOAA's Futurecast keeping the rain and mountain snow in place through about 8 or 9 o'clock. I think the steady rain will taper to showers by late morning and early afternoon. And what I mean by that is some scattered showers. It will not be raining for the duration of our Saturday. However, snow will continue, especially over the northern and western slopes of the White Mountains through the rest of today. Some lingering flakes tonight. Otherwise, it's some passing cloud cover for central and southern New Hampshire. We'll start tomorrow with a little bit of sunshine downwind of the mountains, but even there, it does turn mostly cloudy as the mountain flakes continue and the wind will start to pick up yet again. Through tomorrow evening, a general coating to an inch for many valleys in northern Grafton and Coos counties. And then you get up above 2,000 feet, there is the chance for a couple inches of wet snowfall accumulation. That could make for some slippery travel conditions, especially this evening and tonight, but during the daylight hours, roads should be fairly manageable. All right, here are the winds later on today. They really start to pick up around lunchtime. We're looking at some gusts up over 30 miles per hour this afternoon. There is the chance for a few isolated outages, and the winds again staying strong on Sunday with gusts between 30 and 35 miles per hour. So a windy stretch through the weekend. Again, the wettest part of today during the morning. It does turn a little bit drier this afternoon, except far north. The wind picks up and the temperatures will stay steady in the 40s through today and then again on Sunday. Most precipitation tomorrow falls up north and in the form of some wet snowflakes. Central and southern zones stay mostly dry, but it is partly to mostly cloudy. Quieter weather on Monday. It's mostly sunny. Some clouds bleed in late. The temperatures get back into the upper 40s. Rain showers likely with our next system on Tuesday. That will transition to some mountain snow showers by Tuesday night and early Wednesday. Travel looking okay outside of northern New Hampshire before Thanksgiving. The holiday itself looks quiet, cloudy, cool. Following Thanksgiving, a storm system will be at least in our area. If it tracks close enough, it could bring the chance for more rain and snow.